Randomness and welcome back to my channel! It is I, Erin, and today I'm going to do a mini review and eye tutorial of the Ulta Beauty New Hue Shadow Switching Pan. This is part of their Beauty Smarts collection, and it does have the little, you're supposed to wet this for cream shadow changing out, and then it also has this like big sponge, like a large hold sponge, if that makes sense. It does feel like, I'm trying to think what it feels like. Shut up. I quit life. Beer of the day is Meta Modern. First of all, just to show you how this pan works, I'm going to take a brush that's obviously dirty. This is supposed to have a whitish gray tip, and you just run it through the sponge. And as you can see, this brush is way cleaner than it was a second ago. I don't know if you can tell in the pan, but you can see it is slightly discolored. Like it was black before, and now there is a little bit. I didn't get anything on my finger, but you can kind of see like a reddish tinge to it, I think. Which makes sense because it's manually cleaning the brush. There's no chemicals involved. In order to show how awesome this brush cleaner is, I'm going to go in with my Venus 2 palette and do a look with just this palette, unless I need something else to live, which is possible. So far, my eyes are primed with Shape Tape and powdered with both a white powder from BH Cosmetics and Airspun powder. So that's how they're primed. So we're going to go ahead and with our Sigma brush that we just cleaned off, this is the E40, and we're going to pop into mustard. We're going to pop mustard right into the crease and above. Then we're going to take our orange yellowy brush and go ahead and clean that off. And just to show, nothing. So it's nice and clean and ready to go. See, this is really convenient because I don't know if you guys have noticed in my videos, but I usually clean my brushes off on my hand. And then I'm left with like a whole hand of crazy colors and I forget to clean them off sometimes because I'm stupid. And then I just go to work like that, so. This is not only more effective than cleaning your brush off on your hand or a piece of tissue, it also makes your hand stay clean. How beautiful. Next, we're going to go in with Jam, which I love. Look how bright that is. That is how bright it is, okay? So I'm going to go ahead. I did 3 dips in, show you on my hand. So that's with the full pigmentation on there, okay? 3 dips. Clean it off here. Few times around, looks really clean, and we'll go right here. Almost perfectly clean, right? So that's awesome. I love it. I'm trying to remember to wipe the color off my hand. Okay, so we're gonna pop into Jam and pop that into our crease on the outer edge. This is weird, I'm just doing one eye at a time. I love this palette. If you guys haven't gotten it yet, like, get on it, guys. Get on it. Look how pretty it is. And it blends like nobody's freaking business. Okay, and then we're going to go into Mud, which is this red-brown color, and just keep that right here. Just right there. Okay, we're going to clean off our brush and use that to blend everything together without any pigment left on it. I like. Makes life easy. Okay, so we're going to go into Fly. I'm going to use my finger for that. Fly is a really pretty like green yellow iridescent shade. As you can see, it's gorgeous. Bitches. I've never seen anyone do like a full review of a color switch pan. Have you guys? Anyway, this one is $9. I will link it down below. It will not be an affiliate link because I'm not cool. that a good reason? Sure. Okay. I'm just keeping this really close to the lash line. All right, I'm going to run it all the way into the inner tear duct situation area here. Just right there. Okay, then to deepen up the outer corner and connect it, I am going to go ahead and clean filter off this brush and dip back into mud. And we're going to pop that right here. And we will blend that, don't worry. I just want it to be a little bit darker on that outer corner. Blend it with this guy. And then I'm also going to bring whatever under filter, so it's really pretty. Yes, honey, it's gorgeous. Okay, awesome. I'm going to go ahead and finish this eye off camera, and I'll be back to finish up with lashes and liner. No, I lied. I'll be back with lashes and liner to give my final thoughts on the Ulta Beauty New Hue Shadow Switching Pan. I can't say that, but that's what I'll be back with. Hey guys, so I am back with my eye makeup complete and mascara on my glasses, of course. So I'll just show you a little close up here. That's what we've got going on. So I would say overall this little switch pan from Ulta is literally phenomenal. I love it so much. It made doing this eye makeup really easy. I literally only used these two brushes, and look how many colors I did. The blend is there. The blue is like vibrant. It's not muddied down, and I absolutely love this product. Let me just like throw it. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this eye tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join the darling army. It's a fantastic place. If you guys would like to follow me on all my social medias, that's Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, it's all at I'm a Pluralist. And if you'd like to support me on my creative journey, you can become a patron on Patreon. The links are down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!